Okay, I am not lying right now. So, in the morning while I was waiting for the bus, I found this random thing of Pokemon cards in the street. And these, I swear, I have never had a sleeve like this. But I have had a Pancham, but I have never had a sleeve like this. So I really don't think it's mine. Yeah, and it's wet. It was wet. And also, I just noticed that the bottom is ripped off. But besides that, let's see if there's any good cards in this. Sorry for the struggle. Okay, so first we got Simple Pancham. And I'm just like you. I have not seen what's inside of this. I swear I have no clue what's in this. Okay, Pancham. Basic. However you pen. Ooh! Ooh, I already have one of these, but this is a good sign. I swear this isn't mine. I can go on my binder and show you my Dedenne. This is not mine. I swear to everything. However you pronounce her name. Ooh! Yep, I haven't had this card in my life either. Ooh, ooh, that's cool. Full art. So, whoa, that is a good one right there. Got an energy, no one cares about that. And a basic Pikachu. But oh my gosh! This is freaking awesome. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Take a second to look at that artwork though. Oh my gosh, and you can't forget about the Dedenne. So to show you, these are not my cards and this is fake. Look. I know my room is a little bit messy. Look at this. This is my Charizard, but and I gotta get everything out. Yeah, I'm a big Pokemon fan. Some unopened booster packs. My big binder cards. Okay. Oh yeah, and I'm also gonna add these to my collection. I don't know whose these are, but okay, let's open it. Yeah, I have some pretty good cards, I'm not gonna lie. This is not all. There's some on my nightstand. But where's my Dedenne? Wait, I swear. Wait, I don't think I have anymore. I would show you guys, but I do not have anymore. Oh my gosh. Forgot I traded it. Well, that's a replacement. Come on, goodness. This full art freaking Pikachu. Oh my gosh. The full art is probably my favorite. And you're probably asking, well, that's impossible for him to get all good cards. Well, you're right. These are where all the trash cards go. So, including reverse holos, but holographics, they go in my binder. Okay. Now just add that to the stack. Bro, but that's just weird. I was just waiting. I found those. Those are not mine. At first, I thought they were mine. Because before I made this video, I thought they were mine. But I didn't for surely know because I saw, man, I can't speak today. I saw, the sleeve, yeah. And I have never had that kind of sleeve before. So, yep, that was not mine. That was somebody else's. Probably some kid on like some kid sticking his Pokemon cards out the window, or it fell off the bus. Or some kid was probably, or grown adult, not super ages, was like riding an ATV or something and it fell out. But yeah. And these are not my cards. But that's just crazy. Just crazy.